You may be wondering what an exterior remodel looks like when it comes to doing a re-side. We're here at one of my projects to show you exactly that. When planning your exterior remodel project, it's important to remember that you need adequate space for staging. As you can see, we have things like a dumpster, pallets of material, and a honey bucket that'll need to be set up somewhere on site, as well as ladders and pump jacks. So we've begun the exterior remodel and demoing the old siding. We also intend to re-insulate, but because we have a rain event coming and the insulators won't be here until next week, we've got to get this wall protected. We don't want to drill through our new envelope, and so we're putting up a 6mm plastic in place of our envelope until the insulators can come out and do their thing, and then we will go back through and envelope everything off the proper way. One thing that's important to remember with exterior remodel is you never know what you're going to find. This house is built in 1961 and had what we thought was original cedar bevel lap siding on it. But as we took it off, we discovered somebody has previously done drill and fill with some old closed cell product inside the walls. Pretty impressive because there were no plugs whatsoever in the old bevel siding. So just another way to be surprised when opening things up. You never know what you're going to find. The guys are currently installing the envelope to the home. This is to protect it from the elements until we can get the siding up. As we go around, we want to make sure that we're starting from the bottom and working up so that we have proper overlap and proper counter flash to its own envelope to the paper above it. You want to make sure that you overhang your corners so that you get proper wraparound on your corners. And then the guys will go through and also tape up all the penetrations as they get to them. Hopefully this gives you more insight on what to expect during an exterior remodel. And if you're interested in getting an estimate, please visit our website. And thanks for watching.